Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. Adam channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. We're really happy to have you here with us today.
Yes, and today we've got a fun, light-hearted English conversation filled with real daily moments and a lot of laughter.
That's right. We're diving into one of those everything goes wrong, but it's still funny kind of mornings.
Exactly. Spills, surprises, awkward moments, and natural English you can use every day.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy this simple, cozy, and very real conversation with us.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode if you enjoy our stories.
All right, ready for today's conversation?
Let's begin with our story, A Very Chaotic Morning. Adam, how's your day going?
Rough morning.
Rough? That sounds dramatic. Tell me everything.
I overslept.
Oh no, that's already a bad start.
Then my alarm rang, 10 minutes late.
The alarm betrayed you?
Completely.
What did you do? Jump out of bed?
Yes, fast. Hit my knee on the table.
Ow, that hurts more in the morning.
I screamed silently.
Silent scream. Classic morning pain. And then?
I rushed to brush my teeth. Dropped toothpaste on my shorts.
Toothpaste stains are the worst.
White spot. Big.
So you changed your shorts?
No time. I used water. Made it worse.
It spread?
Like a map.
A toothpaste continent.
Exactly.
And breakfast? Did you eat?
Tried. Toast burned.
Burned toast smell is tragic.
Smoke. Everywhere. Kitchen fog.
You opened a window, right?
Window stuck.
Comedy movie now.
I pushed hard. Window popped open. Loud.
Scared the neighbors?
Cat next door jumped.
The poor cat.
It forgave me later.
Did you find clean clothes at least?
Yes, shirt clean,
Victory.
but didn't match my pants.
Fashion emergency.
I accepted fate.
Sometimes that's the best choice. Go with it.
Yes,
Your morning reminds me of my Monday disaster.
tell me.
I walked outside with coffee. Nice morning. Then, wind.
Wind?
Strong. Hair wild. Coffee spilled on my shoe.
Hot?
Warm, but shoe smelled like caramel all day.
Sweet shoe?
Not a compliment.
True.
Then I got to my car. Seat wet.
Rain?
No, bottle leaked. Everything soaked.
Oh no.
I drove like a flamingo, one leg up.
Skill?
Embarrassing skill.
Useful maybe.
Possibly. At work, my umbrella wouldn't close. I fought it for a minute.
Umbrella fight?
Lost battle.
People watched?
Yes.
Classic.
Do you attract chaos or chaos follows you?
Both?
Honest? Charming?
Thanks.
These small disasters are funny later. At the time, they feel huge.
True.
Remember when you tried to make pancakes?
Flip fail.
The pancake hit the ceiling,
Impressive height.
and you just stared up like, wow.
Proud moment.
I still laugh.
Me too.
I had kitchen trouble, cooked pasta, forgot salt,
No flavor?
tasted like sadness.
Sad pasta.
Then I added too much salt.
Extra salty?
Felt like eating ocean water.
Strong taste.
Both our kitchens are dramatic. Speaking of drama, tell me about the elevator incident last week.
Wrong button.
Wrong floor?
All floors. Pressed everything by accident.
The elevator stopped on every level?
Every single one.
Were you alone?
2 people.
Their faces?
Not happy.
You apologized 100 times?
Maybe more.
Poor Adam. Your life is a sitcom,
True.
but it's good. Real English, real life, real mistakes.
Real pain.
And laughter.
That too.
You had a supermarket moment yesterday, right?
Yes. Big one.
Tell us.
Basket handle broke.
Oh no.
Oranges fell.
Rolling oranges are a nightmare.
Everywhere. Fast.
Did people help?
Kid helped. Chased them like soccer.
Cute and helpful.
Very helpful.
I pushed a cart last week. Clunk, clunk, clunk sound.
Broken wheel.
Loud. Everyone stared.
You kept going?
Too deep in aisle. Couldn't return it.
I understand.
I walked like a queen with a clunky cart.
Fake confidence works.
Talking about sounds, your phone blared music at the bank.
Yes. Embarrassing.
What song?
Cartoon song.
No way.
Volume max.
People looked.
Everyone.
And you?
Turned off quick, said sorry, kid's song.
Smooth excuse.
I tried.
Smartphones betray us often.
True.
Once mine sent a voice message of me sneezing to my boss.
Powerful message.
Horrible.
Funny though?
For him, maybe.
Probably.
Travel mishaps? Airport story?
Missed gate.
Why?
Followed wrong sign.
How far?
Very far. Wrong terminal.
Legs hurt?
They cried.
Run?
Full speed.
Catch plane?
Yes. Last person.
Lucky but stressed.
Very.
I once packed but forgot passport.
Serious.
Screamed, turn around in the car.
Dramatic.
But made it.
Good. Language mistakes. Waiter story?
I said, I'm dessert.
You what?
Meant, I want dessert.
That's priceless.
Waiter laughed.
I'd laugh too.
English is tricky. I once said, I'm exciting instead of I'm excited.
Big difference.
People stared.
Happens.
Sharing these helps learners feel normal
Mistakes, normal.
and funny.
Sometimes.
What's advice for embarrassing moments?
Laugh, move on.
Short and perfect. I add breathe, smile, remind yourself everyone makes mistakes.
True.
We left off in the supermarket. Let's continue. After the oranges, did you finish shopping?
Yes, bought apples, carefully.
Any other small disasters this week?
My laptop fan died.
Oh no, that's technical.
Overheated during meeting.
Did you freeze?
Video froze. Face stuck.
The frozen face.
Everyone laughed.
What did you do?
Restarted. Apologized.
Tech hiccups are the worst in meetings.
For sure.
Office moment? Someone microwaved fish, right?
Yes. Smell everywhere.
Awful.
People move seats.
Social distancing from tuna.
Exactly.
Did you have any fun miscommunications?
Yes, autocorrect fail.
Tell us.
Texted, I love your cat. Autocorrect to car.
That's mild.
Another time, meet at the pub to club. Friend came party ready.
Expectation mismatch.
He wore party clothes.
Good story. Listeners, share autocorrect fails.
We want to laugh.
Any gym stories?
Fell on treadmill.
Were you hurt?
No. Embarrassed.
What did you say?
Testing gravity.
Smooth line.
Had to laugh.
Travel. Train story.
Missed train once. Ran. Breathless.
Catch next one.
Yes. Crowded.
Crowded trains test patience.
True.
Cultural mix-ups. Remember your trip when you used the wrong local word?
Yes. People corrected me kindly.
You laughed?
Yes. Learned new word.
Learning from mistakes matters.
Agreed.
Messaging. What's the worst voice-to-text you sent?
Once said, I'm on the way, became, I'm on the whale.
On the whale? Big trip.
Friend confused.
That's hilarious.
We still joke.
Shopping. Did you ever try to return something without a receipt?
Yes. They checked my loyalty card. Denied.
Awkward.
Left embarrassed.
I once tried to pay with a coupon expired for a year.
Ouch.
Cashier smiled politely.
They meet all kinds.
Food stories. Salt versus sugar.
Lemon cake salty.
You chewed and smiled.
Brave team.
Later, she tasted and screamed, "Stop eating it!"
Classic.
Supermarket wheel squeak story.
You pushed like a tractor.
People stared. I laughed later.
These moments humanize us.
Absolutely. They become stories.
Good stories.
Public speaking. Remember your first big talk?
Nervous. Voice shook.
What calmed you?
Breathe. Smile. Keep going.
Simple tips work.
They did.
Now, social mistakes. Waving at wrong person?
I do that often.
Big wave, then realize it's for someone else.
Awkward wave.
I once waved at a window reflection.
That's next level.
People laughed. I laughed too.
Good recovery.
Advice for learners practicing speaking?
Speak. Make mistakes. Learn.
Practicing with friends helps. Record yourself sometimes.
Listen back. Improve.
What's one small habit that helps your English?
Read short stories every day.
Great. I add watch short videos and repeat phrases.
Shadowing technique.
Yes, it builds fluency.
Also, ask questions when unclear.
That shows interest and helps learning.
True.
Before we finish, one fun question for listeners. What's your funniest mistake this week?
Tell us in English.
Short or long, we'll read them. We love your stories.
We laugh together.
One last tip. When a bad day happens, do one small kind thing for yourself.
Walk, tea, breathe.
Or call a friend and laugh.
Works.
Thanks for sharing these moments with me. They make life lighter.
Good talk.
Keep practicing, make mistakes, and laugh about them.
Bye.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!